Finally, we're diving into data. Let's look at our case path and find out where we are. We stayed up in this plan longer than I expected. It's interesting how interviewers might ask a lot of questions and spend a good deal of time there. We are now in the data pool. In this case, there are a lot of handouts and some analytics. You're about to see a little highlight here where you get one slide. When you do this case with a partner, you'll get to see all the slides. But watch how Samir reacts to the handout. Listen for whether or not he's clear, and does it sound like he really knows what he's talking about? And as he looks through the slide, does he come to some kind of conclusion?
Well, let's go ahead and take a look at handout A,
Okay.
which is on population and deodorant usage. Why don't you tell me what that says?
Right, so population and deodorant usage. I see we're looking at the population of potential users, and it looks like it's starting from age 15 up. That probably makes sense given our consumers and the product that we're selling. And going to the bottom of the slide, I see the different countries. So I'm going to look here for percentage of deodorant users, probably the highest ones here. Now what I see is that Spain, France, and UK, almost everyone's a deodorant user, but the overall markets seem like they're pretty small. And however, Germany, Brazil, and Japan, they look like they're the bigger players here. And they look like where we're probably going to see a lot of the full revenue potential. So I'll note that. And what I'm really curious is, in order to figure out kind of the full revenue potential, like I said, I'd want to take a look at the revenues and profits and maybe how those will play out over the next 5 years. If there's any way that we can figure out the price points or estimate them, that would be really helpful.